Our heart shivers as soon as thinking about death. It is also decided that every person has to die one day. Everything has an end. Even our Earth revolving on its axis will end one day. The light of the sun, which has been illuminating for millions of years, will also end one day and it will become an extinguished lamp. Every star has an age. He is born at a birthplace called nebula. Then the sun becomes young and at the end, it either turns into a black hole or becomes flickering in the form of a red star. The same thing can be said about the entire universe. Today science has come to know that the universe is spreading. And this pace of spread is continuously increasing. But this spread must also have an end. In the end of spreading, science is not able to reach any conclusion as to what it will be, how far it will go, and is presenting three different theories. The first theory is called heat-death theory or big freeze theory. According to this view, as the universe expands, it will slowly cool down and at the same time its expansion speed will also slow down. Eventually, the absolute coldest condition, absolute zero, will be reached. At that time, the entire energy that gives momentum to the universe will be exhausted and everything in it will be frozen and will stop on its face. In a cold country like this, after an icy storm everything gets frozen in snow. The second theory is called Big Rip theory, in which the speed of spreading of the universe will increase gradually, and due to this all the bodies of the universe will break apart and start scattering and finally the original particles scattered apart from each other, that is electrons, protons, etc. The rest will remain. These basic particles will then start to destroy each other. In the result there will be a universe in which nothing will happen. Some like this, there are many soap bubbles scattered in the air and these bubbles will slowly disappear. This universe has been called singularity. The third theory is called the Big Crunch, according to which a time will come when the universe will stop spreading, and then it will start shrinking, and finally it will reach the same stage where it was before the Big Bang. Then a new universe will be born through a new Big Bang. The process of shrinking, the spread and formation of new universe will continue in this way. From the facts that are being found at present, it is being known that the speed of the spread of the universe is continuously increasing. But science is in the dark about the energy that is doing this work. Maybe the mood of this energy may change and it starts shrinking the universe. The theory that today's science considers the most possible is the theory of the Big Freeze, or heat death, then it considers Big Rip. And the least likely is given to Big Crunch. But in reality, what will be the end of the universe depends on the design of the universe, of which nothing can be said for sure. Because this texture depends on the substance and energy of the universe. And currently most of the matter in the universe is dark matter and energy is dark energy. That is, we are in the dark about both. The design of the universe has a special modulus which is called the density parameter. The density parameter depends entirely on the substance and energy of the universe. Depending on the density parameter, the universe can be considered of three types. If the value of density modulus falls below 1, the universe will be called open. In this case, the theory of the Big Rip, heat death, will be applied. If the value of density modulus exceeds 1, then the universe will be called closed. In this case, the theory of the Big Crunch theory will be applied. And if the value of density modulus becomes equal to 1, then the universe will be called flat. Also in this case, the theory of the Big Rip, or the heat death, can be applied for cosmic death. In reality, how the death of the universe will be, the secret is hidden billions of years ahead in the future. But neither will we live to see the end nor you. Therefore, no need to get nervous.